Hello boys and girls. In this video I have come to share a practice worksheet on prepositions, ICSE prepositions, MCQs. Let's see, we already practiced a little bit of tense and transformation of sentences and other grammar portions. We have completed a few exercises on prepositions, and this is one last exercise, a practice worksheet that we are going to practice before our exams. So just let's start without wasting any more time and see how far we are prepared with our prepositions. Number 1. The printer ran dash of ink after some time. कुछ देर बाद printer का ink खत्म हो गया. And your options are out, away, off. These are the three options, three prepositions. Now it's your turn to think. Think. I'm giving you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, your 5 seconds are over, and now let me tell you the right answer. It is option 1, out. The printer ran out of ink. Number 2, please sort this issue dash before it is too late. And your options are at, for, out. You have to solve the issue. So what should be the right answer? I'm giving you a little time to think. Yes, I have already given you time. For 5 seconds time I've given, and now let me tell you the answer. Please sort this issue out. Option 3 is the right answer. Sorting out something is solving something. So please sort this issue dash before it is too late, and your option is out. Sorting out is solving the issue, the problem before it is too late. Late होने से पहले हमें इस problem को solve करना है. Number 3, he does not like to take dash the responsibility of caring for a large family, and your options are up, with, beside. Okay, these are the three options. उसे एक बड़े family का responsibility नहीं लेना है. And now I'm giving you time. I'm giving you 5 seconds time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, your 5 seconds are over, and the right answer is up. Take up is taking responsibility. Number 4, I cannot do anything dash coffee in the morning. Your options: for, without, with. Okay, now your time starts, and you think and make an answer for yourself. Okay, I've given you time, and now let me tell you the answer. The right answer is option 2, without. I cannot do anything without coffee in the morning. This is a very simple question. Coffee के बिना मैं सुबह कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So I cannot do anything without coffee in the morning. The right answer is without. Now we will move on to the next question. Number 5. You getting through the day comfortably depends dash your breakfast. And your options are at, on, against. 3 options: at, on, against. Now I'm giving you time again, and let me count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I've given you 5 seconds time, and now I'm giving you the answer. The answer is option 2, on. Depends on your breakfast. That is, दिन भर कैसे गुजरेगा वो तुम्हारे breakfast पर depend करता है. It completely depends on the breakfast that you are having, because breakfast is the first meal of the day, and it's really very important for all of us to have a hearty and healthy breakfast. Okay, so it's an advice from my end also. Have a good breakfast, all of you. Well, let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Let the question come here on the screen. We are waiting for it. Okay, question number 6. The dog snatched the sandwich from my plate dash my very nose. Your options: beneath, from, under. Dog snatched the sandwich from my plate. मेरे plate से dog sandwich छीन के लेके गया dash my very nose. Well, your time: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds are gone, and the right answer is option 3, under. The dog snatched the sandwich from my plate under my very nose. Under my very nose is a phrase which we use to denote that something very closely, something taken away very closely from us. Number 7, this is the pastry you need to watch out, dash, flaky and buttery. Your options: for, with, off. These are the 3 options that you have. And now is your time to think. Read the question again and again, and then you think what the right answer should be. I'm waiting. I'm giving you a little bit of time. Well, I think I've given you all enough time, and now let me tell you the answer. The answer is option 1, for. This pastry you need to watch out for. This is the pastry you need to watch out for, flaky and buttery. Watch out for is to look for. Number 8, let us do dash with cooking and order double cheese pizza. Your options: number 1, near; number 2, off; number 3, away. Let us do dash with cooking, that is, let us leave cooking today and order for a double cheese pizza. That is what the sentence wants to tell us. Now you think what should be the appropriate preposition here. Let us do dash with cooking, that is, let us just completely forget cooking. Well, okay, I think you have got time enough to think, and now let me tell you the answer. It's away. Okay, number 9, I need to cut dash on salt to control my escalating hypertension. And your options are at, down, off. So you need to cut dash on salt. Salt intake को control करना है. You just need to control it. And so I'm giving you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds are gone, and the right answer is option 2, down. Number 10, get this spider, dash my blazer or I'll scream. Now options: option 1, away; option 2, from; option 3, off. O double F, off. Mind you, O double F, off. And now you think. Your time, your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, your 5 seconds are over, and the right answer is option 3, off. Off, O double F, off. Get this spider off my blazer or I will scream. Getting off is hatana, to remove. Remove kar dena. Number 11, we are giving an unexpected party for her, so don't give a surprise dash. Your options: with, away, behind. Okay, we are giving an unexpected party. एक unexpected party दिया जा रहा है, so surprise, you should not let the surprise out. And the right answer is, okay, I'm waiting a little bit. I think I've waited long enough. The right answer is option 2, away. Don't give a surprise away. That is, giving away is telling somebody something, telling a secret. Number 12, your bag may be Chanel, but it doesn't go dash your Reebok sneakers. And your options are with, by, near. That is, you may have a bag. Chanel is a brand. Chanel brand का bag है, लेकिन Reebok sneakers के साथ it is not matching. Now you think what should be the right answer, the right preposition for it. Well, I have given you time: 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, now let me tell you the answer. It doesn't go with option 1. Your bag may be Chanel, but it doesn't go with your Reebok sneakers. Go with is match. मतलब match नहीं हो रहा है. Number 13, keep dash from the cookies or you won't be hungry for dinner. Your options: again, O double F, off, from, away. Okay, I'm giving you time now. Your time is like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right answer is option 3, away. Keep away from the cookies or you won't be hungry for dinner. Number 14, I'm not well, I'm a little dash the weather. And your options are under, in, beneath. Okay, think. It's an idiom that we use. Well, I'm giving you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right answer is option 1, under. I'm a little under the weather. Last question for the day, for the video. Number 15, I always mix my prepositions dash. Options: off, up, with. I always mix my prepositions off, up, with. I'm giving you 5 seconds time. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your 5 seconds are gone, and the right answer is option 2, up. I always mix my prepositions up. That is, I always get confused with prepositions. That is the right answer. But my dear students, let me tell you, please don't be confused. Just read the sentences, try and make out the meaning of the sentences, and I'm very sure that you all will be able to answer correctly. I know prepositions are a little bit confusing, but with the amount of practice that you all have gone through and the hard work that you have put in, I'm very sure that you all are going to do very well in your exams, and you all will be successful in answering the preposition questions correctly. Please go through this video again and again, listen to the video again and again. I hope it will be of help to all of you for your exams tomorrow. Well, my dear students, all the best for your exams, and please let us know how you fared in your exams tomorrow. All the best, boys and girls. Bye bye.